welcome back to my channel where I entertain you with all things travel related, even if I am camping in the four walls of my home. Because I can't travel, you can't travel, but we all can think of travel and come up with cool stories, which I have lots of. Actually, I wrote books.
Now available on Amazon.
But that's a different story. Anyway, so I've been checking out the internet, not just on the state of the news right now and the numbers and everything's rising and bleak and terrible and very dramatic and I feel very depressed. So I'm using my typical tool which I use to combat very bleak and dark thoughts and trying to save my sanity and mental health, which right now, you know, as we all know, is a bit difficult and hard in these times. So what I usually use is humor, and I have a lot of that, and weird and wacky one. With the help of the internet as my source of inspiration, and knowing that a lot of it shouldn't be recommended or recreated or actually used as very good and sound advice, because it's not.
Please listen to official announcements and news updates. Don't just believe what some random person on Facebook shares without fact-checking.
Okay, there are a lot of videos floating around the internet and WhatsApp on what to make masks out of if you have to wear one, and some of them are really crazy. I thought I can do that too. I can make crazy masks out of something I've found, so I made myself a challenge to see what I can get masks out of within my home. So go and join me on my journey of picking out random items and trying to make a mask out of them, just for the fun of it, and not to be used for medical purposes or even thinking that it would protect you from corona, because it doesn't. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, mask number one. My mom said I should poke holes into the mask so I can see through it, but that defeats the purpose. So I drew eyes on them, which is basically the same. Okay, next up is a hat I found, and it already comes with straps. So let's try this on. Next up, tights, because it's cold outside still, but I didn't wear them at all during this winter. So perfect timing to actually put them to some good use, right? Just wrap them around your head multiple times. So you look cute with a headband. So a popular hack I found online was using a bra. That doesn't work. Okay, another popular hack was taking men's underwear. This one's freshly bought, otherwise I wouldn't put it on. Calvin Klein, sponsor me. Likewise, if you have shorts, it doesn't have to be men's briefs. You can also do the same thing. How about this? I can kind of see through this, I guess. But I can't see anything with my glasses anyway, so who am I kidding? Looking continuously more disheveled as the video progresses. Okay, next one. So I found these earmuffs. Actually, they have been waiting for me to use them all winter long, and I meant to, but I always forget as soon as I leave the house that they're just next to my door. But now I saw them and I thought, perfect! They would be easy to wear as a makeshift mask that is totally unsuitable to protect you from viruses and whatnot, but they kind of can be applied like a headset, and they have an integrated dead cat, so in case you record outside in the wind, you're already muffled. Perfect. Let's see how this works. They're not entirely uncomfortable, if you don't mind the fluff in your face and mouth. And another hack in case it rains horizontally, or if someone talks moistly. An umbrella. Next up is an actual mask, and if you have kids around, you can do paper mache, put gypsum on someone's face, of course, properly so it will come off. Because we did that as a kid, and I guess this is left over from some of those kid sessions, which must have been ages ago. And that's how this mask looks like on the inside. I feel like I need an axe, and I'm good to go. Oh, I can't breathe. Alright, next up we have a proper ski mask. I've never skied in my life, but I have this mask. I found it. So how about we turn it upside down and then wear it. Don't recommend it. Smells funky too. If you are watching anime, you're familiar with the trope of the panty thief. You might have seen this look. Now I just need like a bag, panties, sling it over my head, and chuckle. Got my Hogwarts robe. Drum roll.
Haha! I'm the Headless Nick. Woohoo! Welcome to Hogwarts. Also, this makes for a cool cosplay. Look. Da da da! Say hi to Yorick.
And last but not least, the mummy. Remember when you were a kid and you had kids over and needed to come up with cool games and you used toilet paper, which is too precious right now to use, to make yourself a mummy? How about that? You just like wrap yourself like so. If you have people with you in quarantine who want you to shut up, they would love to help you. And then you just, you know, do this. Okay. I hope you liked this video about me being dumb and trying on different masks which are not safe to wear in public or against certain viruses or any viruses or bacteria. Just saying. So if you have ideas for other masks, or if you try different masks, or if you have like a really good tutorial on how to make a proper mask that also doesn't fall apart, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to leave me a like if you didn't like it. Give me 2 thumbs down, no worries. And I hope to see you around next week in another video, which I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's gonna be fun and weird. See you around, and bye!